Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 201. Which tense indicates a future action that will be in progress at a specific time? A. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I attend a meeting. B. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I will attend a meeting. C. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I will be attending a meeting. D. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I am attending a meeting. Correct answer, at 9 a.m. tomorrow, I will be attending a meeting. Future continuous tense. Question number 202. Which tense describes an action that finished before another action in the past? A. When I arrived, she left. B. When I arrived, she had left. C. When I arrive, she leaves. D. When I arrived, she was leaving. Correct answer, when I arrived, she had left. Past perfect tense. Question number 203. Which tense expresses a future action that will be completed by a specific deadline? A. By 2026, I finish my studies. B. By 2026, I will finish my studies. C. By 2026, I will have finished my studies. D. By 2026, I am finishing my studies. Correct answer, by 2026, I will have finished my studies. Future perfect tense. Question number 204. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still continuing? A. They talk for 2 hours. B. They have talked for 2 hours. C. They are talking for 2 hours. D. They have been talking for 2 hours. Correct answer, they have been talking for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 205. Which tense describes a prolonged action in the past that caused a past result, focusing on the activity? A. Her eyes were red because she cried. B. Her eyes were red because she had been crying. C. Her eyes are red because she cries. D. Her eyes will be red because she will cry. Correct answer, her eyes were red because she had been crying. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 206. Which tense expresses a general truth about the world? A. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. B. Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. C. Water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. D. Water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Simple present tense. Question number 207. Which tense describes a temporary situation happening around the present moment? A. He lives with his parents this summer. B. He is living with his parents this summer. C. He lived with his parents this summer. D. He will live with his parents this summer. Correct answer, he is living with his parents this summer. Present continuous tense. Question number 208. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, when the time is specified? A. I finished my project yesterday. B. I finish my project today. C. I am finishing my project. D. I have finished my project. Correct answer, I finished my project yesterday. Simple past tense. Question number 209. Which tense is used to make a definite arrangement for the future? A. I meet my friend tomorrow. B. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. C. I will meet my friend tomorrow. D. I met my friend tomorrow. Correct answer, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. Present continuous for future arrangements. Question number 210. Which tense describes an action that started in the past and continues to the present, often with for or since? A. She works here for 5 years. B. She has worked here for 5 years. C. She is working here for 5 years. D. She has been working here for 5 years. Correct answer, she has worked here for 5 years. Present perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.